Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 18th August 2024, and we've got some intriguing stories lined up for you. From strategic partnerships in the automotive industry to unexpected uses of Tesla vehicles, we've got it all covered. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's kick things off with a fascinating development in the automotive world. Tesla is reportedly selling regulatory credits to Volkswagen, a move that could significantly impact the German automaker's ability to meet stringent emissions targets. VW Auto Group CEO Herbert Diess has indicated that this arrangement is expected to last for 2 to 3 years. This partnership is crucial for Volkswagen as it navigates the complex landscape of regional emissions regulations, which are vital for its operational sustainability. Tesla, a major player in the regulatory credit market, stands to benefit financially from this collaboration. The sale of these credits allows companies like VW to offset their emissions and avoid hefty penalties. This arrangement not only underscores the challenges traditional automakers face in transitioning to greener technologies, but also highlights the evolving landscape of automotive manufacturing and environmental compliance. As emissions regulations tighten, such partnerships may become more commonplace, benefiting both parties involved. Now, shifting gears to a rather unexpected story involving Tesla's Cybertruck. Ramzan Kadyrov, the head of Russia's Chechnya region and a close ally of President Vladimir Putin, recently showcased a Tesla Cybertruck equipped with a machine gun in a video posted on Telegram. Kadyrov praised the vehicle and its manufacturer, Elon Musk, suggesting that the Cybertruck could be used in the ongoing war in Ukraine. He referred to the vehicle as a cyber beast and mentioned plans to send it to the SVO zone, a term used for the area of military operations in Ukraine. This display is part of Kadyrov's history of using social media for publicity stunts, often featuring extravagant claims and events. He has previously stated that thousands of Chechen fighters have been involved in the Ukraine conflict, highlighting his commitment to supporting Russian military efforts. Tesla has yet to respond to inquiries about the use of their vehicle in this context. Kadyrov's actions and statements continue to draw attention, reflecting his role as a significant figure in the Kremlin's military strategy. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these stories as intriguing as we did. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered today. Join us next time for more updates and insights from the world of Tesla and beyond. Until then, stay informed and stay curious.